Sarah, tell me again, why didn't we leave the house earlier? It's Black Friday. People camp in front of stores for this day.
Luna, you always panic like this. Chill, we'll still find great stuff.
No, seriously, I'm not joking. I want brand clothes today. I saved money for this. If everything sells out, I will literally cry.
Girl, relax. Even if something is gone, we'll find other options, and not everything good is in brand stores.
Okay, but you don't care. You buy anything cute. I want something elegant and classy for Christmas.
And we will, I promise. We just need to get there.
Also, thank God we took a taxi. Imagine trying to park today, I would have screamed.
Ladies, small update. GPS shows heavy traffic, very heavy. Estimated arrival, 45 minutes.
No, nope, you're lying. Please tell me you're lying. This day is cursed.
Let me check again. Yes, 45.
Sir, please don't do this to me.
I'm joking. 7 minutes. Relax.
Oh my God, wow. I almost passed out. Sarah, tell him not to do that again.
Sir, she's dramatic, but she's right. Don't do that again.
Look at this crowd. See? This is exactly what I was scared of. Everything's gone.
Can we at least walk inside first before giving up? Come on.
Sarah, what is this? Did a tornado hit here?
Nope, just Black Friday in the wild.
I swear people fight for clothes like they're oxygen.
Hey, look. Under this pile, I think there's a red dress. Help me, it's stuck.
Girl, this pile is the size of a mountain. But fine, let's try.
Well, here's your beautiful red dress.
Are you kidding me? Why is baby clothing even here?
Because Black Friday doesn't care about logic.
Okay, I'm done. Next door. Immediately. Sarah, look at that blue dress on the hanger. That one is actually cute. No chaos, no random socks on top.
Go grab it before someone else does.
This one gives Christmas vibes. I need to try it. No way. Are these people camping here?
It'll move. Just breathe.
Fine. While we wait, what are you thinking to wear for Christmas?
Maybe emerald green dress, brown boots, gold jewelry. Simple but classy.
Cute. I want something bold, maybe red or dark blue. Something that makes me look, I don't know, expensive.
Girl, you always look expensive.
Stop lying, but thank you. Sarah, come here. Tell me honestly.
Okay, it looks pretty, but it's definitely too big. You need 2 sizes smaller.
Exactly what I thought.
Hi, excuse me, do you have this in smaller sizes?
Let me check. Sorry, that's the last one.
Don't be sad, but she said this is literally the last size.
Amazing. Perfect. Exactly my luck. Love this for me. Sarah, stop. Look at those boots. They're gorgeous.
Oh no, I know that tone. Try them.
Oh my God, they fit like they were made for me.
Buy them immediately.
Did you find everything you need?
Yes, and I also found emotional stability. These boots healed my soul.
Ha ha, good for you.
Sarah, I'm losing hope. We checked every store.
Okay, listen, don't get mad. But I know another place, small local shops, different styles, amazing pieces.
Sarah, you know I prefer brand clothing.
And I know you want something special. Trust me once.
Fine, let's go.
This shop, my favorite.
Sarah, my fashion queen. I knew you'd come today.
Of course, and this is Luna. She needs a perfect Christmas outfit.
Welcome, Luna. I'm Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. Nice to meet you.
Tell me everything. What are we looking for?
Something elegant. I bought brown boots. I need a dress that matches them.
Show me the boots. These are beautiful. Wait right here. I already know what you need. Medium, right?
Yes. How did you guess?
15 years of fashion magic.
I'm trying this on instantly. Sarah, come here now.
Oh my god, Luna, you look stunning. This is the dress.
Let's see it with the boots, too.
No way. This looks perfect. I feel like a Christmas movie character.
Exactly. It matches your boots beautifully.
You have to buy it. There is no discussion.
Okay, Lucy. I want it. How much is it?
It's $50.
Wait, this cheap? This is half the price of mall dresses.
See, didn't I tell you small shops are treasures?
Okay, you were right. This time. Sarah, that looks amazing on you. Christmas Barbie vibes. These match my boots. I'm taking them. Buy it. You look like a fashion influencer. Sarah, seriously, thank you for dragging me here. I thought small shops didn't have good clothes. I was wrong.
I know, girl, sometimes the best finds are in unexpected places.
Well, I learned something today.
Say it. Say the sentence.
Fine. You were right.
Louder.
You were right, okay?
Now drink your pumpkin spice latte and relax. We survived Black Friday.
Barely, but yeah, we did.